This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal with Google Pay. To begin, open the Google Wallet application on your smartphone or tablet. Look for the Add to Wallet button, which is usually represented by a plus sign. Tap on it, and then select Payment Card from the options presented. You will then see an option to choose PayPal. Follow the prompts to log into your existing PayPal account securely. This process links your PayPal balance or linked bank accounts directly to your Google Pay for easy access. It's a straightforward setup that takes only a few moments to complete. Once your PayPal account is linked, making in-store payments is incredibly simple. When you're ready to pay, just look for the Google Pay or contactless payment symbol at the checkout counter. Wake your phone and hold it near the payment terminal for a few seconds. You'll then be prompted to authenticate the transaction using your fingerprint, face unlock, or a secure PIN. Your linked PayPal account will automatically be used for the purchase, making transactions quick and secure. It's a seamless way to pay without needing your physical wallet. Using PayPal through Google Pay for online and in-app purchases is just as convenient. When you reach the checkout page on a website or within an application, simply select Google Pay as your preferred payment method. From the options presented, choose your linked PayPal account. You'll then review the purchase details and confirm the transaction with a quick tap. This method works across thousands of online retailers and various applications, providing a consistent and secure payment experience without re-entering your card details every time. It streamlines your digital shopping. There are several key benefits to using PayPal with Google Pay. Firstly, you gain enhanced security through tokenization, meaning your actual account details are never shared with merchants. You can also continue to earn any applicable rewards or benefits from your PayPal account. The Google Wallet application allows you to easily monitor your spending and view your transaction history in one place. Remember to ensure your device's near-field communication, or NFC, is enabled in your settings for successful in-store contactless payments. It's a powerful combination for modern payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.